Good morning to one and all present over here. I am Vedanta Figure from grade 9. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Wednesday and date is 1st January 2025. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Good morning everyone, I am Shraddha from grade 9. Today I am going to tell you thought for the day. Today's thought is, family is not just about the blood relations, but about the bonds we build with love, care and support. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. I am Shraddha from grade 9.
This is Jishan from grade 9.
Here is Vishnu from grade 9.
This is Harshal from grade 9.
Today we are going to tell you today's importance of the day. Today we are observing Global Family Day. It was first observed on 1st January 2001.
Can you please help me out with the key values of this day?
Sure, it signifies unity, that we all are connected no matter where we come from, and also peace that shows we strive for a peaceful world where everyone respects each other.
I would also like to add that it represents responsibilities. Each one of us has a role in taking care of world and each other. Last but not the least, kindness, showing empathy and helping others strengthens our world family.
I was wondering about what are the needs and importance of the global family.
Promoting global unity, fostering peace, and encouraging responsibilities.
Building tolerance and kindness and also global citizenship.
The theme of Global Family Day 2025 is families and climate change.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to emphasize that we should take a step for global unity and social responsibility.
Additionally, pay attention to cultural respect and family values.
Let's celebrate our shared humanity and strength of unity.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School
Wish you all
A very happy new year.
thank you.